Hey guys, in this video we're going to be attempting to repair my rear bumper. So I'm going to give it a shot on my own.
It's the best solution I could find here. There it is. It fits between the tire and the bumper, so do that for these last two. Rear mud flap off. One side, just got one hidden bolt. Got that, and then this bolt right here. You see it?
There we go, look at that.
We're almost there.
A couple more bolts here on the other side, and then we'll have this bad boy off.
And this thing just popped right out. It's already on its way out.
There we go. All right, there we go. Oh, there's a cord. These little running lights just twisted counterclockwise out, so you just gotta put them like that and then turn them clockwise and they'll lock in to these sockets. But step 2 is heat this up with hot water and push it out. And then step 3 would be deal with this crack in the plastic. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. No subframe damage. Just clean it up with an alcohol solution. Okay, unfortunately, I think the best solution here is JB Weld and just get this. I'm gonna JB Weld, get it right where I want it, and then tape it. Just to protect it from JB Weld. Mix in the JB Weld. Let's get in there. Gonna try some mesh reinforcement. Got a lot of work to do on the outside. Got JB Weld everywhere. I got to rig up a totally legal license plate.
Do not try this at home.
For reassembly, I had the bolts laying on the ground where they were, but since I'm gonna need overnight, made a bolt. Took off the tape, and there's an offset, but I'm gonna have to sand that down, get that level. But overall, it's not terrible. So, gonna start with sanding with some 800 wet sanding and just get that level. After some sanding with various grits, after even more sanding, starting to not feel an edge there. Gonna apply some Bondo to some of the
the higher spots.
Knocking down the Bondo in these 2 spots. Try to start getting it smooth for primer.
All that got a little bit of adhesion in there. So at this point, I'm just gonna go for it.
One more coat of primer.
Knock that down with some Scotch-Brite.
And then we'll go on to color and then clear. First coat is
not great, but not terrible. Well, clear went about as expected. Not good. So, yeah. Leave it up to the professionals if you want to get anything good done. That's all overspray. That should wipe off, but oh my goodness. What a mess.
Color sanding to get the orange peel off. Wet, starting with 1500 in a soft block. Then go to start working on it. 1500. Calling it. On to 2000. 2000.
Moving on to buffing compound.
You got the 3M 36060 and a Porter cable, dual action buffer. Get these fine scratches out and hopefully a smooth finish. Test run after the 36. What? How? It's amazing. Foam pad, one more buff, and then a coat of wax, and not too bad. Yeah, it's not matte finish anymore, so that was the goal, and that really happened. There it is. I mean, you look at it from 20 feet away.
Looks good. I mean, you got some major flaws in there. It actually kind of cracked on the install. Yay, but
Again, from 20 feet away, couldn't tell what happened. Hey, like I said, not terrible for spray can, but wet sanding and buffing made that thing look great. Cost of a new bumper is like $550, $600, so I spent about $200 in parts, saved $400, learned a lot, and got some tools to be able to do this in the future. Thanks for watching.